Now. And what you doing that? I didn't know that. A big storm, a story for cranky back. And all the engines was very scared. Then Sea of Dark, Henry James and Gordon. Oh, Cranky was very cross. Cranky is a train engine. It's a train engine. It's a train engine. It's a train engine. It's a train engine. Oh, I'm not train. I am a crane. And I don't have sleep. You be old. No. You're very ugly. You are ugly crane engine. I'm not ugly. I am the crane. I'm always working to random. I don't want that. You're a very sneaky smell engine. Sneaky smell engine. You can sneaky smell engine. Cranky, what you have a loading? I'm Lipa's small tank engine. It's very heavy. I am broke. Cinder and ashes. A big ship. No. Whoa. Oh, I'm broke.